to them right then and there. This is great for calls from friends and family too. Imagine you get a phone call while in a meeting and want to know whether it's something urgent or if it can wait until the meeting is wrapped. You'll see the voicemail right on your screen, so you can decide whether to step out and take the call. Thanks to the power of the Neural Engine, live voicemail transcriptions are handled on device, preserving your privacy. And there's another type of call getting a big update: FaceTime, where we've added one of our most requested communication features. Now, when you call someone on FaceTime and they aren't available, you'll be able to leave a message. So whether you're just calling to say hey or want to share a precious moment, you can record a message so that they can enjoy it later. Next, to tell you about some updates to another way we love to share and communicate every day, here's Kim.
Messages is the way we stay connected with the people who matter most. To start, let's quickly cover some key improvements that make using messages even faster and more convenient. First, search is more powerful and precise with the addition of search filters. So now you can start a search and then add additional terms to narrow the results to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, a new catch-up arrow in the top right of your conversation lets you jump to the first message you haven't seen. It's perfect on busy days when the group chat is blowing up. We've also made replying inline faster than ever. Just swipe to reply on any bubble. And for those times when you get an audio message but you aren't able to listen right away, they're now transcribed so you can read them in the moment and listen later. Finally, location sharing now lets you keep track of your friend's location directly in the conversation. Next, I'd like to share an important new feature for those situations where you want to let a loved one know you made it back home safely. Check-in. Whether you're walking home after dark or going for an early morning run, you can start check-in with a family member or friend to let them know when you get home safely. As soon as you arrive, check-in automatically detects that you're home and lets your friend know. But if something unexpected were to happen while you're on your way, it can recognize that you're not making progress towards your destination and check in with you. And if you don't respond, it can automatically share useful information such as your current location and the route you took. And they'll also be able to see your battery level and cell service status so they know if you might be able to take their call. And any information shared with your friend is end-to-end encrypted. So that's check-in, an easy way to feel reassured that your loved ones have your back. We also have an updated design for how you get to all your iMessage apps. They used to live above your keyboard, and now they are gracefully tucked away, giving your conversations this sleek new look. With just a tap of this new plus button, you'll see all the things you send the most, like your photos, audio messages, and location. And when you swipe up, you'll see all your iMessage apps there too. Also inside this menu is something you are going to love, a brand new stickers experience. Let me show it to you. By tapping the plus button and then tapping stickers, you'll see the brand new drawer that brings all my stickers into one place, like my recently used stickers, Memoji, and any sticker packs I've downloaded. And we've made all emoji into stickers. I can peel and stick an emoji sticker, and I can rotate and resize it too. Last year, we introduced the ability to lift a subject from the background of your photos, and now those subjects can be turned into stickers. By tapping the new Live Stickers tab, I see all the stickers I've made with my own photos. Let me show you how I made these. I'll tap the plus button. I can pick any one of these photos and turn it into a sticker. And check this out. When I tap on the Live Photos tab, I see all of the live photos that will make great animated stickers. Why don't we make a sticker out of this one? And just like that, it gets added right into my Live Stickers tab. From there, I can send my sticker inline or peel and stick like this. You can also add effects to live stickers. When you tilt your phone in messages, they really come to life. Best of all, you can now react to messages by adding stickers directly to any bubble from the tapback menu. And the fun doesn't stop in messages. We've added stickers system-wide, so you can access your full sticker collection in markup and anywhere you can access emoji today, including in third-party apps. So that's Messages. Now, back to Craig.
These updates to Messages, FaceTime, and Phone will enhance the way we communicate every day. iPhone provides many ways to share content with others, and we have some exciting updates to how we share with AirDrop. AirDrop makes it easy to share a file with a colleague or send photos to a friend in seconds. And this year, we're expanding how you can use AirDrop to share in all new ways, starting with how you swap your number with someone new. Today, you either hand your phone to them or one of you dictates your information while the other types it. Now, there's a better way, NameDrop. With NameDrop, you can just bring your phones close together. You'll see the same contact poster we talked about for phone calls, and you can easily choose the phone numbers and email addresses you want to share along with it. And share them just like that. And to make exchanging contacts even more convenient, you can use NameDrop with an iPhone and an Apple Watch too. And we're also using this same gesture to make it easier than ever to AirDrop content and even kick off shared experiences. When you want to share the stunning photos you took on your latest adventure, again, just bring your phones close together. It's that simple. And for those times when someone is sending over a ton of photos or a large video file and you need to step away, you can now leave AirDrop range and your content will continue to send securely in full quality over the internet. You can also bring your devices together to instantly kick off a shared activity using SharePlay. Like when you're going for a run and want to share some music to stay on the same beat. And for developers, this will work automatically for apps that support SharePlay. So you can bring your phones together to watch the same live stream on Twitch, or jump into a coding game together with Emoji. It's never been easier to share. Next, let's talk about some enhancements that will make text input even more intelligent with the keyboard and dictation. iOS 17 brings big updates to the intelligence in the keyboard that improve the experience every time you type. It starts with the feature at the core of typing accurately on iPhone, autocorrect. Autocorrect is powered by on-device machine learning, and over the years, we've continued to advance these models. The keyboard now leverages a transformer language model, which is state-of-the-art for word prediction, making autocorrect more accurate than ever. And with the power of Apple Silicon, iPhone can run this model every time you tap a key. Autocorrect is also getting more capable, with a refreshed design to better support you as you type. Sentence-level autocorrections can fix more types of grammatical mistakes. If an autocorrection isn't quite what you wanted, tapping the underlined word shows what you originally typed, with the option to quickly revert back to it. And in those moments where you just want to type a ducking word, well, the keyboard will learn it too. When it comes to speeding up your typing, predictive text already helps you quickly finish, add, or change a word. And now you'll get predictions in line as you type. So finishing a word, or even the whole sentence, is as easy as tapping the space bar. And predictions improve based on the phrases and words you use, so they're more personalized. Another core part of the keyboard is dictation, which gets a new transformer-based speech recognition model that leverages the neural engine to make dictation even more accurate. These updates make typing on iPhone better than ever. Last, let's talk about some exciting new experiences we're bringing to iOS 17, starting with a new way to reflect on and relive special moments. Here's Aditi to tell you more.
Being reminded of life's special moments is a really powerful thing. For instance, we often hear about how much people love watching memory movies created from their photos. So we wanted to create a new way to help people not only remember, but also write about their experiences, inspired by rich details from their day, including people, places, activity, and even music, in addition to photos. Today, we're excited to introduce Journal, a brand new app coming to iPhone later this year. Journaling is a great way to practice gratitude and has been shown to improve your well-being. Journal makes it easy to get started and enjoy these benefits. Using on-device machine learning, your iPhone can create personalized suggestions of moments to inspire your writing. Suggestions will be intelligently curated from information on your iPhone, like your photos, location, music, workouts, and more. And you control what to include when you enable suggestions and which ones to save to your journal. And for developers, suggestions will be available as an API, so they can be used in their apps too. Some suggestions are personalized and some are reflection prompts to inspire writing across a range of themes. You can pick any of them to start a new journal entry. Let's look at this one of a trip. It includes where you went, the music you listened to, and photos you took there. You can add these to your journal in one tap. And when you do, there's even a writing prompt like, what was the highlight of your visit? So it's easy to get started. As you capture life's precious moments, you can mark important ones and revisit them later to help you find new insights or set new goals. And to stay consistent, you can schedule notifications for the start or end of your day to remind you to write and to tell you when new suggestions are available. Of course, your suggestions and entries are incredibly personal, and Journal is designed to keep them private. With on-device processing, end-to-end encryption, and the ability to lock your journal, no one but you can access it, not even Apple. So that's Journal. And now, back to Craig.
Journal will be a great way to preserve rich and powerful memories and practice gratitude. Now, I'm really excited to tell you about another new experience coming to iOS 17. With iPhone in your hand, you have all the information you need right when you need it. We saw an opportunity to create something new and different for those moments when you set iPhone down. We call it Standby. Just by turning iPhone on its side while charging, you get a new full-screen experience with glanceable information designed to be viewed at a distance. Standby is perfect for your nightstand, kitchen counter, or desk. And with the always-on display on iPhone 14 Pro, it's always available. When you wake up, it's easy to see the time with a clock, and it's easy to personalize. Swipe up to choose from a range of beautiful clock styles. Swipe to the side, and you can look back on your favorite moments in photos. Standby automatically shuffles through your best shots, taking full advantage of the screen. It also embraces the power of widgets, which are more glanceable than ever. With a quick swipe on each widget stack, you can see the current weather, home controls, or your favorite third-party widgets. And since these are smart stacks, just like on the home screen, they automatically surface the right information at the right time, like your schedule before a meeting starts. With support for live activities, you can also see the score of the game or when your food delivery is arriving. Siri in Standby works great with rich visual results that are easy to view, and it's just as easy to ask to play music or set a timer hands-free. At night, when you're charging iPhone, Standby adapts to low light, taking on a beautiful red tone to help you sleep. And for each place you charge with MagSafe, Standby will remember your preferred view. So that's Standby. We think it's going to make iPhone even more useful in those moments when you set it down. iOS 17 has many more features, including the ability to simply say Siri to activate Siri. And now you can issue back-to-back commands without needing to say Siri again. In Maps, you can select an area and download a map to your device to use when you're offline. And in Photos, the People album is better than ever at spotting your favorite people, and now can even recognize the cats and dogs that are part of your family too. And that's iOS 17, with big updates to the phone app, with new contact posters and live voicemail, messages improvements with a new stickers experience, more ways to share with AirDrop, and improved typing and dictation, along with all new experiences like Journal and Standby. Now, let's head downstairs to talk about iPadOS.